worried, because if the jury came back after an hour of deliberation, 2 hour deliberation, we could have guessed which way the jury went. But as these hours tick on and now it's deadlocked, they have to have these conversations. Okay, if the jury's hung, are we going to retry her? What do we do?
Yeah, absolutely. The prosecution is sweaty. I mean, they are freaking out. If you don't get a jury verdict in the first hour and a half as a prosecutor, you're second guessing. I should have called this witness. I should have asked this direct question of Chad Cobb. I should have known that he was going to say that he didn't murder Ashley Biggs. All of these things. How do I get the transcript from the court reporter of the recording into the jury room? Can I ask the court for leave to do that? All these things are rattling through their heads. So yeah, I think to answer your question, absolutely. If I'm Erica Stefanko, I'm feeling good right now. I'm feeling really good. I'm now
Yeah.
feeling empowered. I'm glad I didn't get on the stand. But again, time will tell. Juries
Hmm.
are interesting. Juries do different and wild things. Juries find meaning in things that were meaningless to the attorneys and to the court. And that's the beauty of this process. So I think that we can only imagine what's going on in that jury room. But I definitely know one thing. I really did like how the court said, listen, everybody can do their job. And she even said,
Yeah.
we'll
Yeah.
consider your lunch break later. We'll consider it later. Go back and work.
Right.
You may get a lunch break.
Right.
I thought, and
Right.
I'm certainly
Right.
not for rushing a judgment, especially when
Well,
someone's
I tell you
life
what,
is at
like you
jeopardy.
said, we may get a verdict today, but either way, we're going to watch that courtroom. So, Tiffany, Holly, I appreciate you taking the time today to break down this case. Bob Bianchi is up next. Stay tuned on Law and Crime. Who knows what's going to happen next?